cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a papá. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Okay, now each of you tell Papa what you love about you.
This wasn't in the script.
Okay, it's okay.
I love how you always hug us.
Oh, it's my turn. I like that you're a good example.
I like that you say funny jokes. I like that you are warm.
Are what?
Are warm.
Warm?
I like how you didn't grow a mustache. That'd just be gross.
Okay, let's say happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday